rotary hoeing. We got a John Deere 400 rotary hoe, a 3-point mounted rotary hoe, 40/20. So this is the cornfield. It's been planted about a week now, and we're gonna go through it. We run pretty fast with the rotary hoe. The corn's not up yet, but there's some weeds starting here. So I'm thinking actually it's just starting to emerge here, just barely, but we're here. You can see it right here. So this is about the right time to be rotary hoeing. So we're gonna go through here and get rid of some of these weeds, and it'll bury some of the corn, but it'll be all right. So anyway, this is our project for the day, is rotary hoeing the corn. It's a lot easier to rotary hoe than it is to cultivate it. So that's the project.